Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to open a Volvo XC90 hood. Begin by locating the primary hood release lever, typically on the driver's side near the footwell. It's a small, distinct handle. Pull it firmly. You'll hear a click as the first latch disengages. The hood will then pop up slightly, creating a small gap. This indicates you've completed the initial step, ready for the next stage of opening your Volvo XC90 hood. Now, move to the front of your Volvo XC90 and stand directly in front of the hood. Carefully reach your hand into the small gap that appeared after pulling the interior lever. You'll need to feel around for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is designed to prevent accidental opening and requires a specific action to fully release the hood. It's usually located near the center or slightly to one side. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll typically need to either push it to the side, usually to the left or right, or lift it upwards. The exact motion can vary slightly, but it's designed to be intuitive. Performing this action will fully disengage the hood from its locking mechanism. With the safety latch released, you can now lift the hood completely open, gaining full access to the engine bay. After lifting the hood, locate the hood support rod. This rod is typically attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully swing the rod out and insert its end into the designated hole or slot on the engine bay frame. This will securely prop the hood open, preventing it from accidentally closing while you're working. Always double-check that it's firmly in place for safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.